that well, but this is all Chaim can afford to himself, you know. Chaim moved to Israel with a youth program, served in the special forces of the IDF, Israeli Defense Forces, and opened a non-kosher store in Ashdod. Honorable judges, I'm here to represent Chaim. First of all, I would like to tell you who Chaim is like a person. Chaim was an elite soldier in an elite unit in the Israeli Defense Forces. While he was in Black Ops behind enemy lines, he got really injured. It happened while he tried to save a little Palestinian girl from a burning house. Nobody wanted to enter that place, but he was the only one that was brave enough to do this. While he was going downstairs with the poor child in him, somebody shot him in the leg. Since then, Chaim is crippled. From the little money he got from the army for his crippleness, he wanted to open a store for cleaning products. So he opened a really small store in Ashdod. But the problem is he cannot get the kosher certificate because he sells toilet paper that doesn't kosher in Shabbos, you know? Because in Shabbos you need to get the paper toilet that is already cut. Because of his great disability, he just cannot cut it. Dear judge, I please asking you to enter Chaim to the court.
Please donate to Chaim. Please donate to Chaim.
Donate to Chaim, people. Donate to Chaim.
Oh my God.
I'd like to tell you his life story.
Check it out, let's go. I went to special forces, was put in IDF, got shot inside my leg, now I only have one left. I don't have any share, my penis doesn't work, and I'm losing all my hair. Now my shop's not kosher, I can't afford the rent. I lost all my possessions and I live inside a tent. I need my father's money so I can make a life, keep my shop all kosher, and finally bone my wife. And if I'm given $1 million, I promise to be good, fix my shop and make it kosher, take my Ema out the hood.